Hello, I'm Marielis with WTI and I want to present you this LED nail lamp that will make your life much easier. With this LED lamp, you can do your nails from home. As girls, we always want to have our nails presentable, but making an appointment at the nail salon can be tedious. But with this lamp, that will no longer be a problem. You can paint your nails with gel from the comfort of your home. After you paint your nails, you just have to put your hand under the lamp and the light will turn on automatically. It has 3 times, 90, 60, and 30 seconds, and you can press the one you prefer, but either way they will dry out. It comes with a port to connect it to electricity, and since it is not very big, we can take it everywhere we want. I just love it. I hate having to leave my house to do these kind of things. But now I can do my nails at any time, anywhere, and in the best I like best. Well, that's in front of you.